Let's go. Welcome back. What if I told you there's a video AI model that just got a massive upgrade? Faster, higher quality, and completely open source. And you can run it without a GPU on your computer. No RTX 4090, no complicated installation, no monthly subscription. I'm talking about LTX 2.3. It just dropped, it's open source, and it generates AI videos from text prompts or images in seconds. Not minutes, seconds. Now let me be straight with you. Every other video AI tutorial you've seen either sells you a paid tool or requires a local GPU setup that most people don't have. And the ones that are actually free, they come with watermarks, limits, or janky output. LTX 2.3 is different. It's genuinely open source, MIT license, commercial use allowed. And today, I'm going to show you how to run it completely free on Kaggle, Google Colab, and Lightning.ai notebooks. Just like we did with Repo, I built a Gradio interface on top. You type a prompt, you upload an image if you want image to video, you click generate, and you get an AI video in your browser. Zero code, zero cost. 3 platforms, 3 methods, 1 GitHub repo. Let me show you everything. So what exactly is LTX 2.3? If you've been in the AI video space, you've probably heard of Stable Video Diffusion, Hunyuan Video, or Runway. These are video generation models, text to video, image to video. LTX 2.3 comes from Lightrix, the same company behind LTX Studio and the popular Facetune app. And they just released a significant update. Here's what makes it stand out. First, speed. LTX 2.3 generates video clips ridiculously fast. We're talking seconds, not minutes. On a T4 GPU, you're getting results in under 30 seconds for short clips. Second, quality jump. Version 2.3 brings noticeably better motion consistency, fewer artifacts, and improved prompt understanding compared to the previous version. Third, it handles both text to video and image to video. You can describe a scene, or you can upload a starting frame and let the AI animate it. Both work smoothly. And the licensing? MIT. That means commercial use is on the table. No royalties, no attribution required. For creators building content pipelines, this is a big deal. The one barrier? Like most video models, running it locally wants a decent GPU. That's where our cloud notebooks come in. Full transparency, I tested LTX 2.3 across Kaggle, Colab, and Lightning.ai to find the most reliable free setup. Here's the breakdown. But first, step 1. GitHub repository. Link in the description. This is where all 3 notebooks live. Kaggle, Colab, and Lightning versions. While you're there, hit that star button. 1 click. It helps other creators find this resource, and it tells me you want more free AI workflows like this. Alright, 3 methods. First, Kaggle. My top recommendation, same as with Repo. You get a T4 GPU with 16 gigs of VRAM, completely free, 30 hours per week. For video generation, that's plenty. You will need phone verification. Enter your number, confirm, done. Second, Google Colab. Free T4 GPU, but be warned, video generation takes more resources than 3D generation. Colab's free tier might time out on longer generations. I'll show you the workaround. Third, Lightning.ai. This one surprised me with Repo, and it holds up for video generation too. 80 hours of GPU time per month, plus free credits on sign up. Phone verification required, but once you're in, the VS Code style interface is genuinely comfortable to work with. One important note, video generation consumes more GPU memory than 3D generation. Kaggle and Lightning handled it fine. Colab can work, but keep your clips short. Let's start with Kaggle. Open the notebook from the repo, click Copy and Edit at the top. Go to Settings, make sure T4 GPU is selected. If the GPU option isn't showing, your phone verification hasn't gone through. Go handle that first. Once the GPU is active, start running the cells from top to bottom. The first block clones the LTX repository and installs dependencies. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes on first run. On subsequent runs, it's much faster because Kaggle caches everything. Now here's what makes my setup different. I wrapped LTX 2.3 in a Gradio interface. When the notebook finishes loading, it generates a Gradio link. Click that link and you get a clean UI, no terminal, no Python commands, nothing technical. You'll see tabs at the top. Text to video on one tab, image to video on another. Let's start with text to video. Type your prompt. I'm going with something specific. A cat walking through a neon-lit cyberpunk alley, slow motion, cinematic lighting. Be descriptive. The more detail you give the model, the better the output. Set your duration. I recommend starting with short clips. Adjust the resolution and steps if you want, but defaults work well. hit generate, and look at that. And the result? For a completely free cloud GPU running an open source AI video generator, I'm honestly impressed. But let me be straight with you. I typed a cat walking through a neon lit cyberpunk alley, and it gave me a person, not a cat. Maybe I should have been more detailed with the prompt. The motion is smooth though. The walking looks natural. The neon reflections are there. Is it perfect? No. But for a free AI video generator running on a Kaggle notebook with zero cost, the video quality honestly surprises me. Now here's where it gets interesting. Image to video. This is where LTX 2.3 really shines for creators. You upload a starting frame and the AI animates it. I'm uploading an image of a bird with a fish in its beak. My prompt? The bird drops the fish from its beak. Hit generate. Image to video takes a bit longer than text to video, but that's expected. The result? The camera movement is natural. The environment looks solid. I probably should have generated more seconds. But here's the thing, you can experiment as much as you want. 30 hours of free GPU time per week on Kaggle means literally hundreds of free AI videos. Text to video, image to video, go wild. Method 2, Google Colab. Open the Colab notebook from the repo. Runtime arrow, change runtime type arrow, T4 GPU arrow, connect. Run the cells. Now pay attention, there's an important difference here. Unlike Kaggle, there's no Gradio interface on Colab. You'll enter your prompt directly in the right side panel. If you're doing image to video, run the designated cell and upload your image there. It's one extra step, but still completely free. The real difference is reliability. Colab's free tier can disconnect you mid-generation, especially on longer video clips. My recommendation? Keep your LTX 2.3 generation short on Colab. For serious video work, Kaggle and Lightning are the safer choices. Let me show you a quick example. Text to video, a cinematic shot of a futuristic sports car driving through a rainy city at night. Hit generate. It works. But if you're doing heavy AI video generation, you want Kaggle or Lightning. Method 3, Lightning.ai. This one continues to impress me. Create a free account, verify your phone, open the notebook from the repo. It should auto-select an L4 GPU, not T4, but L4. Run the cells. Now, quick tip. On the left side, click the notebook file. Sometimes there's a bug here, so hitting restart can save you frustration. I'm running my notebook now, and once it loads, same Gradio interface. Here's what makes Lightning great for LTX 2.3 video generation. 80 hours of GPU time per month. That means you can experiment, iterate, and generate multiple versions without worrying about hitting limits. Let me generate one more example. A stick insect walking through the forest. The environment looks genuinely good, and the stick insect is surprisingly well rendered. You tell me if this looks usable. With Lightning's 80 hours per month, you can generate dozens of free AI videos just like this. As close to unlimited as it gets on free cloud GPUs. Now, fair warning, I'm not here to sell you dreams. Prompt precision matters. You saw my cat prompt gave me a person. Be specific. Resolution is solid, but not cinema quality. And these free cloud GPUs have limits. Kaggle gives you 30 hours a week, Lightning 80 a month. Colab is unpredictable, but for learning, experimenting, and creating content on a budget, more than enough. Here's the bottom line. LTX 2.3 is one of the fastest open source AI video generators right now. And with these 3 notebooks, you can start creating free AI videos today. No GPU, no installation, no subscription, no watermark. MIT license, full commercial use. All 3 notebooks are in the GitHub repo, link in the description. Star it if this saved you time. One click genuinely helps. Drop a thank you in the comments. It means a lot. Subscribing takes just 2 seconds. That means everything to me. Let me know what you're going to create with LTX 2.3. I'm curious. See you in the next one.